Hello, what's going on? This is Quamon Fowler, and this is the EWI 5000. And I just wanted to show you some of the sounds that I like to play inside of it. And right now, I have it set to some sounds that I like. I have them queued up within the first 10 patches. And you have the option on the EWI to use the preset bank, and then you also can edit the preset bank and make your own group. So on the EWI, the red button, when you see it selected down here, that's the preset bank, and then when it's on the bank that you've customized, it'll blink green. So I'm going to demonstrate some of the sounds that I like to use. I've already put out a video where I was playing flute, so now I'm going to play through a few different ones. So let's go to my bank and okay, that's the harmonica, and I also have a harmon muted trumpet. Then I have a cup muted trumpet. Okay. Then I have some saxophones. I don't know which one that is. That's like a pan flute. That's the organ. That's like a patch that I made to kind of sound spacious type of lead, analog lead with a little bit of delay on there. Okay, so let's play this ballad, and I'm gonna start. Let's start with the harmonica. Harmon muted trumpet. Cup muted. Okay, here we go. Going to my favorite, my organ. So anyway, those are some of my favorite sounds rather, that I like in the EWI. And just wanted to demonstrate it for you. Make sure you chime in if you're an EWI 5000 player and you want to learn more about how to really dig into the instrument. We're going to do a webinar on October the 18th. We're going to do it at 1 o'clock Central Standard Time, and that'll be 2 o'clock Eastern Time. Check the website, ewiwebinar.com. Okay, so that's it for now, and we'll see you next time.